Dito sa New Zealand, ang technique kasi dapat, it's me, Faith, your cutie dreamer here in New Zealand. Uy! Hi! So, kung nagtatanong ka sa akin kung ano nga ba yung mga available na trabaho para sa mga estudyante dito sa New Zealand, usually, if you are starting up, ang mga available dito would be part-time cashier, cleaner, what else? Part-time sa delivery ng mga food delivery particularly. And so far, based from my experience, yung palang yung mga nakikita kong available na jobs. But don't worry, kasi if you are also an IT graduate sa Philippines and you have also IT experience, may mga job na for you. Diba? That's good. And what else? For those people who are also teaching in the Philippines, meron na ding job for you na straight for residency. Dito sa New Zealand, ang technique kasi dapat, sabihin mo na. Ang technique dito sa New Zealand would be, you should have to broaden your horizons. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mo makipag-socialize. And syempre, nandun pa din yung your own boundaries pa rin. Pero, the key is, you know how to socialize to people para those people will help you to get, alam mo yung pakilala ka rin nila sa mga naghahanap ng companies or managers na naghahanap ng work. Sa New Zealand, hindi naman kailangan magbayad sa backup. Wala namang ganun. So, good thing siya na wala namang mga something na kailangan magbayad, ganyan. So, yeah, that's it for today. Ang lamig.